Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous video, I've telling you what is a component in React 18. So today I'll be also telling you a component, but today we will be learning about function component. Like previously we have learned about only component, but now in this video I'll be telling you what is a function component in React 18. So this video will be also really helpful, and if it is helpful and if you are learning things from this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and share this video so more people can learn about these skills which we are doing through our channel. And I'll be uploading more videos like that in future because that will giving you help moving forward. So just remember to see all the future videos because all the future videos will be giving you help, and I hope you'll be understanding that also. So just like I'm telling you, today's video is about function component. I'll be telling you what are functions in React 18 and how to use functions as a component to use it in our project. So just now we'll be starting with our today's videos and seeing how what is a function component in React 18 and how to use it in our projects or websites which we are building. So like previously we have learned about simple components in React 18, and I've telling you how to just use that all things. So in this video, I've in the starting telling you we'll be learning about function components. I'll be telling you what are the function components. In previous video, I've only telling you about one component which was h1. In this video, I'll be telling you information about function component, how to use that functions in React 18 and how to work with that. So just now we'll be starting with our video. So for starting here, I will be opening my VS Code. You can just open it directly from your taskbar, but here I've already opened, so I will be opening this. You can see this is the thing which we have done yet. Then I will be opening it in my Opera browser because I was just running this like I was just showing you. Save this. Then you can see all the things as removed. So this was our folder here from which we were working, and we have also created it in the previous video. You can check that out, previous videos which we have done yet. If you don't know how to create this React folder and how to work with that, so remember to check that out. Now in this video, I'll be telling you about function components. So function component are basically like we use the components in JavaScript language. So these are also the components which we have to use in React 18 as well. So just you can say that JavaScript like thing which we have to do here in this React 18 to just use our functions here. So for using different functions, you can just use here like function which is called as render. So you can see you can use a render function here to render anything if you want to render. So you can just write here image tag to just render any image if you want to render here. So you can see this is the render tag which I have written, and in this render you can write the text here like the image has been rendered like this. Now here when you've written save this, you can see we are just getting this. It is saying that rendered not defined. So for defining render, you have to move here, right here import render. You can say here you have to write import render. So simply here I will be writing this thing. Then you have to write here import render from React DOM. Save. You can see it is saying that render is not defined. So here I will be writing this render. Simply here. Save this. Now you can see we are getting this. The image has been rendered. Now here if I just take this R to capital R, and here if I just move down, same as if I do this thing here, then this thing here, save this. You can see it is giving error because this capital R render has been not defined. So we have to just use small r render. So I will be using this here. Save this. You can see now we have just imported, and we are just getting the text as the image has been rendered because here we have just rendered this image. So we are just getting this that function of the image has been rendered, and we have written in this render tag, and render tag is a function component of React 18. Now when you are getting this all stuff, move down again. Now if I write this image tag here, and image if I write in image if I write here source. Now when you've written this stuff, just you have to write here alt. In alt I will be just writing here image has not been, or you can say that image is not coming on this page like this. Means if our image does not show, so we will be getting this text here, image is not coming on this page. So this is the alternate tag. In alternate tag we have written this image is not coming on this page. So when our image will be not showing, so we will be getting this tag. Save this. Now if I save, you can see we are getting this text which is saying that image is not coming on this page. Now here if I want that this thing should be down here, means this text which we have written here should be down, means giving some of the space from here. So for giving the space, just move forward, then write here br tag like this. Now save this. you can see now this text has been moving down because here we have written this br tag, which means that we want one line space from here. Now here we want to define the image. We have not written anything in the source tag, so here I will be moving. Now if I move to Google, so you can see we are getting this Google logo. Now here I want that this Google image should be on my page. So for doing that, just copy the image address, then paste this image address on this source tag. Then you have to just save this. Now you can see we are getting a Google image here. So we have just done that by using the functions here, and using these all functions we are getting our image here. You can see on the page we are getting one Google image. So like this you can also use these all functions like this. So here we have used the function, and using this function we are getting our image here. Now I will be taking this alternate tag down as well. So here you have to take it down. Then I will be taking this thing down as well. Now you can see I have written this tag which is called image. In source I have written my image. Source means what type of image it is, or you can say the address of the image, URL, you can say this. Then we have written alternate tags, means if our image is not showing, so we will be getting this tags. Then we have just written this tag here, which is the closing tag here, and it is the closing tag. In React 18 you don't have to write the close tag of image. In React 18 you have to close the tag like by writing this slash and by writing this close tag, you can say like this. So this was our video, and in this video we have learned two function components here. Like one is our render component, second one is our image component. We have also learned about br component, but I am not including that because it is not a big component which we have learned about. The big components which we have learned about function components are image and render components. So I hope you understand which we have learned about these two components of function, and I'll be bringing up more components here because like I'm telling you, there are more components and there are many other components in React 18 which we have to work with. But it was just the starting. I want to show you what are the beginning function components which a beginner should be using. So this was the components here which I want to show you in React 18. So I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this video, and if you have learned what are function component in React 18, so hit a like to this video. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things, and they can also see how to just work with these all components of function and the simple component which we are covering up. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, good bye.